Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to change the resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video, and if it is highlighted in this bluish color and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure we are on the video mode. So now here we've got the options which are connected with the resolution. We've got the ratio and also frames per second. You can change them just by tapping on them here, or you can simply unroll the top bar, and as you can see right here, we've got not only aspect ratio but also the frame rate. So in both options we've got two different options. So we've got 19:6 ratio and we've got 9:16 ratio, or the full screen ratio, and the frame rate 30 or 60 frames per second. It's up to you how you want to set it. All you have to do in order to change the ratio is to simply tap on the option "Like to use", and the same situation with the frame rate. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.